A lot of questions about how kids are learning during the pandemic and the impact it will have on their education.
But students at Chicago's Catholic schools are defying a national trend, staying on track and even improving on some of their learning. Dr. Jim Rigg is the superintendent of Catholic schools in Chicago. He is joining us now to talk a little bit more about this. Very nice to see you.
Thank you so much. Glad to be with you this evening.
Okay, we hope you're staying warm. Let's talk a little bit about what the gains have been, what you've been able to notice when it comes to students and going back to class, some of the academic gains you've seen.
So we have been in session since last August, and our students and our teachers and staff members have been working incredibly hard, even amidst all of the complexities of the pandemic. And very recently, we received some very affirming standardized test scores that show that our educators are doing a great job. The scores are based on the iReady assessment, which is given out 3 times per year. And we recently received the assessment scores for the fall of 2020, and were able to compare them with scores from the preceding fall. And they showed that our students have not skipped a beat. Our students on average gained at least 1 grade level of knowledge, in many cases more than 1 grade level. They're far outpacing national norms. The data shows that many school systems around the country have struggled this year amidst the pandemic, but our schools are doing a great job and are outpacing national norms.
And this study found that some kids who have not been in person, they're as much as 1, 2, 3, 5 months or more behind where they should be educationally, right?
That is correct. So if you look at the data, if a 100% means that a student has gained at least 1 year's worth of knowledge, our students are exceeding them. So in math, for example, our students scored a 105% versus the national score of 67%. And in reading, our students scored 130% versus a national score of 87%. So we feel great about those results.
Okay, so talk about what you guys have done differently than perhaps other school districts, other than bringing kids back. I mean, you've had to put other things in place.
Yeah, so we made the commitment early on in the summertime to return to in-person learning this year, and we developed a very robust reopening plan that integrated all of the guidance from the CDC and the state and local health departments. It was vital that we keep our kids and our employees safe. And so not only have we done a great job, I think, this year in educating kids, but we've done a tremendous job in keeping kids and employees safe. You know, we've been able to provide that learning since August in person just about every day. We have had a few cases of COVID in our schools, but nearly all of them, if not all of them, were caused by situations from the outside. Kids or employees becoming infected through, family relationships or social gatherings and bringing the virus in. And when we've learned about it, we've been able to respond very quickly to make sure that people are safe.
So I'm sure you've been watching this standoff between City Hall and the Chicago Teachers Union. As somebody who serves some of the same neighborhoods, some of the same communities, sometimes in older school buildings that may not have great ventilation, I guess I wonder your thoughts on how this can be done safely in much larger districts.
Well, again, I think this has been a very complex year for everybody who works in education, be it public or private or Catholic. And I think every school system needs to make their own choices about what they think is right for their particular population. Okay. For us, we believe that in-person learning is essential for our students' growth and knowledge, as well as for our mission.
Got it. Dr. Jim Rigg, we appreciate your time. Thank you.
Thank you.